Hey guys, what's up? How's everybody doing? This is Nika coming to you guys again. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on how I curl my hair with a wand curler. Guys, I went ahead and decided to curl the hair because the next day I had somewhere to go, so I wanted fresh curls. Actually, we're going to church. I'm sorry, not the next day, the day of. This is the morning of church. So I decided to go ahead and curl the hair. So now I have roughly had the hair end a little bit over a week, and I am still liking the hair. Just like before, it is minimum shedding. It does have a little bit of tangle in it, but you know, it's doable. I know that hair tangles, so like I said, it is doable. At the end of the video, I want you guys to give me your opinion, because I'm torn between the wand curl and just the regular curler. As you can see, this is kind of more of a skinnier, not too skinny, skinny wand curl. And I don't curl it. When I put the hair on there, it's like flat, if that makes sense. It's not being roped. So yeah, because I like my curls to be soft, not as so much like a tight curl. I like soft curls. So yes, follow your girl through the video, like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already done so. And once again, I want to thank you guys. I have over 500 subscribers. I'm looking to get that number up, hopefully 1,000, maybe 2,000, 3,000, 93,000. Hey, you know, yeah. So watch the video and let me know if you like it, comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, so I am nearing the end. As you can see, I didn't use a comb or anything. I just finger parted my hair, and I just took some of the hair and just wrapped it around the one curl. And also, if you guys noticed, the girl had to come up out of that glove. You just don't have as much freedom with your hand, if I must say so, when you're wearing the glove. But definitely the glove is definitely a plus, because if you burn yourself, the glove will protect your hand, your skin. I have been burnt before, and it is not a good feeling at all. So yeah, like I said, I just curl the hair, and then when I'm done, I just finger comb it with my hand, and that's it. I normally just try to do the bare minimum when it comes to my hair. The curls, they last a really long time, but the problem that I have is I just don't like them to be super flat, if that makes any sense. So after a couple of days, if you're going somewhere and you want to freshen your hair up, I would definitely say curl your hair after a couple of days. But normally, like I say, I don't do too much curling or anything to my hair. Now, if I'm going somewhere, I'll curl it, that morning of, if I have time. If not, I'll do it the day before. Yep, so basically this sums up the video. This is what it looks like with my one curler. And guys, do not ask me where I got that curler from, because I've had that one curler for years. You know how us girls do. We'll go out and buy stuff, and then it'll take us forever to use it. And guys, this lipstick, I don't know what I was thinking. I said, you know what, let me try to go bright and a little bold today. After I tried it on and looked at myself in the mirror and did all that good stuff, I was like, I don't like it. So I did not wear it. I ended up just putting on some nude looking gloss. After the video was over, I just put on a little nude looking gloss because I was not feeling that lipstick. And as you can see right here, I'm gonna put a little bit of this powder on my hair at the top part, just a little right there, so it can possibly blend in a little bit. But yeah guys, basically this is all I do. Oh, and another thing, I also use flexi rods sometimes, guys. Flexi rods work really good. Like how I have my hair now, I would go do my thing. When I come back home, I would put flexi rods in my hair, and that also helps hold your curl. And it also depends on the width that you use. I use the big ones, the purple ones. I may actually do a video on that as well. Alright, I'm so glad you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so glad you guys stayed with me this far. As you can see, I'm just breaking my hands through the hair and flipping it around a little bit, doing some little last minute touches to it. And then that's it. Once again guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video.